What's the name of this boat?
It is called Ocean Plane.
Ocean Plane.
1 hour later.
We're in Ormoc.
We're heading to
Calubian.
Yes, we are going to Calubian. Hi guys! Tara si Kisa niya siya. Siya ng bayhana. Oh, with her brand new phone. Oh, what phone is that? Right guys, problema siya unsa ba? Touchdown or touchdown? Touch. Just leave a comment below if he's correct.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way.
Pasakaw taon ni. Oh. Cut goals, keep climbing. Paningot na kayo kung kinaon nila guys. Oh,
20 minutes later.
Musa ito mga activities karong nga adlaw?
Natay zipline padungad to.
Oh, zipline guys.
Zipline.
Nice.
Oh, saka ta sa shrine.
Sa ato yung expect sa shrine.
Sa mga relatives.
Guys, akong dili siya angkas, converges siya nga service. So what can you say about this place?
It's beautiful. Charot! Ay,
Beautiful, 18 years old from Philippines. Okay, so give you a better view of this place. This is the 360 degrees flow, and this is I think the Last Supper here. It's kind of white. Just Jesus here. This is the Last Supper. And here is the Stations of the Cross, as you can see here. And this is the chapel. This is the ancestral home, so we're gonna have a tour inside the house.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely.
So manamo sa among bisita dire sa shrine.
The next day.
Savannah.